Well, good day, friends. TripleChip here. Down the hatch too, we got another Blizzard. Wife went and picked it up. It's a Blizzard. Oh, it's chunks of. Can't remember the last time we even had a turtle. Definitely chocolate. I'm trying to think what else in the turtle. Maybe some caramel in there. What else is in a turtle? Well, dripping down my chin. But definitely some type of chocolate in it, though. See a chunk there. Well, I'll list it in the description, everything that's in it. To me, it just tastes like vanilla with chunks of maybe chocolate. Can't make out what the other part is. Either like a toffee or a caramel. I don't think turtles have peanuts in them though. So an old favorite. Turtle's been around for years, so. You like turtles? Pick yourself up a turtle. I think it's in there every ordinary day one that they always have, so. That's about it for this one. So if you're eating, make sure you're happy eating. One of life's simple pleasures. So until next time, that wraps it up for this one. Catch you in the next one. This one's over.